Welcome back, YouTube subscribers and viewers. Today we're back in the hospital, reconstructed hospital here at Somerset Place. And our instrument today is going to be the Tenaculum, this one right here. It was invented by Peter Rose, who immigrated over from England to the United States in the 1800s. And this is a piece of surgical equipment right here, used by assistants to the physician, like here it would have been maybe Dr. Hardy Hardison or Thomas Warren, whom Josiah III hired from Edenton to come out here and perform surgeries here within the hospital in the enslaved community. And they might have been assisted by enslaved nurses like Penny, who could use the Tenaculum here to hold pieces of your body apart while the physician so the physician could access what he needed to perform the surgery. So delicate pieces, parts of your body, maybe even arteries, could use the hook on here, pull it back very, very carefully, and the physician could access what he needed. So that's a little bit about the Tenaculum here, the hospital. Tune in for more videos upcoming, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have more subscribers. Thank you guys so much.